Here is a good question on similar shapes. So two shapes are said to be mathematically similar if one of them is the enlarged version of the other. So they could be 2D shapes or 3D solids, like in this case. So let's go ahead and solve this question. This one's actually 4 marks, so it should take us about 4 minutes to solve it. So A and B are two similar cylindrical containers. So we've been told that they're similar shapes, and the surface area of A to surface area of B has been given to us. The ratio has been given to us, not the actual surface areas. Tyler fills container A with water. So fills this with water. She then pours all the water into container B. Tyler repeats this and stops when container B is full of water. So repeats it until this one's full of water. Work out the number of times, so this was actually important, so full of water. Work out the number of times that Tyler fills container A with water. We must show all the working. Okay, so when it says pours water, firstly we need to realize that this is talking about volume. It doesn't directly tell us that it wants the volume, but we need to deal with at some point the volume of the cylinders. So I've been given the surface area ratio between the two shapes. I'm going to go ahead and use LAV ratios, so length, area, volume ratios, for these two shapes, A to B. Now I've been given the area ratio basically, so the A component is 4 to 9. So to get the length ratio, I can square root these, and then if I want the volume ratio, then I'll show you, you can cube the length ratios. So square rooting 4, you get 2. Square rooting 9, you get 3. So then these will be 2 cubed to 3 cubed, which is 8 to 27. So this is my volume ratio. Now, it wants to know if, let's say, we don't know the exact volumes, but if I had the volume of one of them, then I could work out the volume of the other. So in this case, it just wants to know how many of these will fit into here. Also, the one little extra thing to take care of is we need to probably fill this up one last time and then pour into here without it being poured fully into here. So all we have to do is 27 divided by 8. So that will be 3 3/8, which is 3.375. So that means so 3 lots of this fully will be poured into B, and also we need an extra one to fill up that last bit of container B. So we need approximately 4 times. So this is going to be, we'll just write 4 times. So we need to, Tyler needs to fill container A 4 times with water to pour into B.